Okay, this is the bilge pump working. This is the battery set to off position. And as you can see, I hooked up the trickle charger and the bilge pump to the battery. So we shouldn't have any problems whatsoever with water getting in to the back of the boat. As you can also see, the charger is on and the charger is running. The boat has been cleaned and the motor has been flushed. The gas is at half a tank, and I have an image of that. And there is extra oil in this compartment. There should not be any issues with the boat.